Good morning, everybody, and welcome to an update on Hurricane Hilary. So before we cover Hurricane Hilary, I'm going to briefly touch on Greg and Fernanda. So as of 5 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, Thursday, August the 17th, Tropical Storm Greg has maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,006 millibars, and westerly movement at 13 miles per hour. And Fernanda has completely dissipated and is now a post-tropical cyclone as of 5 a.m. Hawaiian Standard Time, Thursday, August the 17th, with maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,005 millibars, and westerly movement at 15 miles per hour. And then looking at the eastern Pacific, looking at the elephant in the room, Hurricane Hilary, as of 9 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Thursday, August the 17th, has rapidly intensified to an 85-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane with a minimum central pressure of 980 millibars and west-northwesterly movement at 14 miles per hour. And then we even have a disturbance behind Hilary with a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days. So looking at the latest Zoom Earth satellite imagery and cone for Hurricane Hilary is looking very impressive on satellite already, and currently the Zoom Earth satellite and cone has not yet updated, but this is an 85-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane as of 10:20 a.m. Central American Time. And then as we go into 7 p.m. this evening, Hilary is expected to explosively intensify to 115-mile-per-hour Category 3 major hurricane. Going into Friday 7 a.m. Central American Time, a 130-mile-per-hour Category 4 major hurricane moving to the west-northwest. By Friday 7 p.m. Central American Time, a 140-mile-per-hour Category 4 major hurricane curving to the northwest. Going into Saturday 7 a.m. Central American Time, a 130-mile-per-hour Category 4 major hurricane moving to the north-northwest. Going into Saturday 7 p.m. Central American Time, a 120-mile-per-hour Category 3 major hurricane curving to the north. By Sunday 7 a.m. Central American Time, a 100-mile-per-hour Category 2 hurricane approaching the Baja Peninsula of California. And then we're looking at a landfall sometime early Monday morning across the northwestern Baja Peninsula. Going into Monday 7 a.m. Central American Time, a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm in southeastern California, and then by Tuesday 7 a.m. Central American Time, a 30-mile-per-hour post-tropical cyclone moving across northwestern Nevada, something you do not see every day. Looking at the latest National Hurricane Center's projected cones, watches, and warnings for Hilary, Hilary is expected to remain a major hurricane through Saturday, a hurricane through Sunday morning, tropical storm through Monday morning, and a post-tropical depression through early Tuesday morning. And we already have tropical storm watches and warnings in the yellows and blues across the southern Baja Peninsula of California. Looking at the latest spaghetti model guidance for Hurricane Hilary, Hurricane Hilary is expected to approach the west central Baja Peninsula in the next 72 hours, and somewhere between Los Angeles and San Diego in the next 96 hours, and then move into Nevada in the next 120 hours. And looking at the latest intensity model guidance for Hurricane Hilary, almost all of the computer models are indicating that Hurricane Hilary is going to become a Category 3 or 4 hurricane in the next 36 to 48 hours, and we even have a couple of models taking Hilary to a Category 5 hurricane in the next 36 to 48 hours. So we could have a Category 5 hurricane in the eastern Pacific, and then we'll see the intensity rapidly decrease. We'll see Hilary rapidly weaken as she moves onto land in the next 60 to 96 hours. Now, looking at some of these rainfall projections, this is going to be the 7-day rainfall projections from the Weather Prediction Center. The entire Baja Peninsula of California can expect anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain, with isolated locations up to 8 to 10 inches. western Arizona, southwest Utah, central southern Nevada, central southeastern California can expect anywhere between 3 and 5 inches of rain widespread, and then the mountainous areas anywhere between 6 and 10 inches of rain. This is going to lead to a big-time flooding threat across the southwest and the Baja Peninsula. So make sure you're really preparing for major flooding if you live across these areas from Hilary. And this can be backed up by the National Weather Service's 7-day quantitative precipitation forecast, showing much of the same 2 to 5 inches across western Arizona, southern central Nevada, southeast California, the Baja Peninsula between about 4 and 10 inches, and southeast California between about 5 and 10 inches of rain. So if you live across the Baja Peninsula of California, northwest Mexico, and across western Arizona, southwest Utah, Nevada, and southeastern California, make sure you're preparing for major flooding from Hurricane Hilary, as well as if you live across the Baja Peninsula, a dangerous storm surge, destructive damaging winds, and major flooding. Thanks for watching this morning's update on Hurricane Hilary. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.